Hello friends, today I am going to show you a very good feature of this Apple Watch Series 7, and this feature is included in the Apple Watch Series 7. You just have to select the option Assistive Touch. It's available in your watch setting under General tab. After activating that, you can see what you can do with this Apple Watch. Just you have to twist your watch like this, then you have to double pinch. Now I have activated this. See, it's automatically gets selected. Now with one glance only I have selected this mail option. Now again, see, if I need to scroll down, then see is how easy. Just the thing is that you have to accustom with this now this is the crown. See, now pressing this you can swipe down also. See, now I am scrolling down. See the how convenient it is. Now let's go back. Again double glance. Now just select that. Now you are pressing the crown by selecting that option. Now go to the next option. Now see blood oxygen. How you can see without touching the watch, you can now start. You can measure your blood oxygen. Now it will take time, so I am going back again. Just double glance, go again, go back. It was unsuccessful because my hands is a little bit shaky, so sensor could not work properly. So it generally doesn't happen because I was shaking my hands too badly, so it did not work. Again going to the for previous, you need to double pinch this. Now again I am selecting this. Now let's see the calendar again. Now again this is showing selecting. Now you can see the full month calendar. See, again I am pressing this crown button. See, this is very easy. You can receive your call also. Receiving call is also very easy. It's not that tough. When you get a call, you will get the option double clenching your hand. When you will double clench, the phone get automatically received. So this is a very handy feature. Whenever you drive a car, when you are driving a car, and when you are on outdoor, when your both the hands are busy, then you can easily select this option. And actually Apple has introduced this feature for person who are actually challenged, or who get this options, who get many difficulties to use their watch with the other hand. For those people, actually Apple targeted. Actually it's a heads off to Apple, that Apple has went to that level also, and no other company has believe. Probably it's very soon this feature will be coming in other watches also. And at the same time, if you can see, this is in this particular Apple Watch series model, you have the option of ECG. And for ECG, I don't think that how accurate it is until and unless you get a result from a medical grade device. So you can't say that this is totally accurate or not.
ভিডিও বানাইছে নেকি? হ্যাঁ
And this is not working probably. Let's see again. Oh, it's working now. See, this is not that tough. The thing is that one has to accustom with this. I am also very new to this, so but now very soon I have accustomed with this. So if you give it a try, I think within a practice of, it's just a matter of practice only. Within 5 minutes I just accustomed with this. So I don't think it's a very big deal. This is for today's video only, and I found this feature very handy and very useful, so I thought to share this video with you all. And if you are investing a lot after this watch, and if you are if you are not using those features, and I don't think that you are taking the full advantage of this watch. So if you are owning this device, then you should definitely give it a try, and squeeze all the features what is inside of the these watches. Generally we don't use, but we should use, since we these hardwares are a little bit costly. So I think if you are happy watching this video, then please do subscribe this video. It will encourage me to come up with some other videos. So thanks a lot friends, thanks for watching, see you next.